The date is Tuesday, August 14th, 2012, and the time is 5:05 a.m. We are at the Long Island Railroad Station in Speonk. This is train 2733, the peak AM dual mode direct train to Penn Station. The train departs Speonk at 5:08 and arrives in Penn Station at 7:02. Today's equipment consists of locomotives DM30 AC 510 in the lead, DM30 AC 518 at the rear, and 8 C3 bi-level passenger cars. We are boarding an even-numbered C3 car, in this case 4006. Note the wheelchair-accessible area with fold-down seats and 7 high-back seats. Odd-number C3 cars contain a restroom where the 6 side-by-side high-back seats are located. Morning.